You found the perfect roofing contractor for your residential asphalt shingle replacement in Bellaire, Texas. Now it's time to prepare and get your home ready for the company to come in to replace your asphalt shingle roof. But you may be wondering, how do you get ready for your roofing service in the greater Houston area? Don't worry, Houston Roofing and Construction is here to help you prepare the best we can. When it comes time for your residential asphalt shingle replacement, you should clear a path for the contractors to have easy access. Your contractors will need ample space to set up and work during your asphalt shingle replacement. If your car is close to the home, you should move it out of the way. It's also important to remove any plants and other decorations from the area around your home. If you have an attic, make sure to take the time to remove anything that's valuable or cover up anything that may be stored in the area. If you need a residential asphalt shingle replacement in Bellaire, Texas, reach out to Houston Roofing and Construction at 832-237-3737 for a free estimate today.